Welcome to my vlog. So today guys, I am going to share to you the nature of mathematics. Mathematics forms the building blocks of the natural world can be seen in the stunning ways. Here are the few of my favorite examples of math in nature, but these are many of the other examples as well. A few examples include the number of spirals in a pine cone, pineapple, or seeds in the sunflower, or the number of the petals on the flower. The number of the sequence also form a unique shape known as a Fibonacci spiral, which again we see in the nature in the form of shells in the shape of hurricanes. Fractal are another intriguing mathematical shape that we see in nature. A fractal is a self-similar repeating shape, meaning the same basic shape is seen again and again in the shape itself. In other words, if you were to zoom way in or zoom way out, the same shape is seen throughout. Fractal make up many aspects of the world, included the leaves of the ferns, tree branches, the branches of neurons in our brain, and coastlines. And I have here again the last example of nature in mathematics. Another of nature's geometric wonders is the hexagon. A regular hexagon has 6 of equal length, and the shape is seen again and again in the world around us. The most common example of the nature using hexagon is in a beehive. Have you ever seen a beehive? Yes, that is also one of the examples of nature in math. Bees build their hive using a tessellation of hexagon. But did you ever know that every snowflake is also the shape of hexagon? We also see hexagon in the bubbles that make up a rough bubble. Although we usually think of bubbles as round, when many bubbles get pushed together on the surface of water, they take the shape of hexagon. Thus are the 3 examples of nature in mathematics. There are also a lot of many examples in nature of mathematics, which the trees, other plants, or the leaves, or the grass. But that is the only 3 examples I can give it to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've learned something that I shared today. So guys, see you until next time. Bye!